How to fix your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now, as you can see, there are two options in which you have to tap on the second one. Now, as you can see, there is an eye option in which you have to tap on it. After you're done tapping, you have to scroll down and click on Forget this network and try to reconnect with the same Wi-Fi, which will ultimately help you to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi issues. We also have our another way to solve your problem. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Wi-Fi icon as shown and tap into the tiny eye icon. Now, scroll down to your screen and find the Configure DNS. Tap into it and tap into Manual. Now, you have to delete all the servers that were here before and add a new one. Type 8.8.8.8 and type 8.8.4.4 and save into it. Once you save it, your Wi-Fi will start working properly now. If you found this video helpful, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.